What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards, and on today's episode we are working on the Raptor. You guys have not seen any sort of work on the Raptor. This is our first time introducing it to the YouTube channel. You guys may have seen the introduction on Instagram where we posted a few pictures about it. So this will be the first time you guys see the Raptor on the YouTube channel. This is an absolutely badass truck. Like, I love this truck. It just, the way it's stock and like can handle everything in its way is insane. Michael's already done a few mods. He did a Corsa intake, right?
Yep.
A Corsa intake. He did these sea lights from Raptor Retro, right? Raptor Retrofit. These are super cool. Also did the Baja lights down here because, you know, he rips this thing now in Glamis. He actually sold the YXZ for the Raptor, just so you guys know. And so today is probably one of his biggest mods. He was supposed to be getting a Corsa exhaust, except that was going to take like till February, and he didn't really want to wait. So for half the price and literally half the wait time, it is December 24th. This is a Christmas miracle. Almost exactly like the Tesla. He bought the Tesla a year ago today, the 24th. So his miracle this year is 2 in a row. What a dick. Is he got a Dirty Deeds exhaust, and we're gonna install this thing. It's insane. It's gonna take out the muffler and the resonator and make this thing scream. So we're gonna get you guys a little installation video, and then you guys are gonna hear it. If I can find a clip of what it sounded like before when it started up as a stock exhaust, I'll put that in there. If not, you guys can look up a stock exhaust and you'll have to, you know, suffer from that. But we're going to install this video. Hopefully, guys, COVID is going well. Merry Christmas to everyone. Like I said, it's the 24th, but I probably won't be talking to you guys, you know, till after that. So Merry Christmas to you guys all. Be safe, and let's get this exhaust install going. All right, first things first, take this off. This is holding the resonator and the muffler together. It's a 15. We're gonna try and take this off first. That way we can then take the muffler out, because it's gonna be a little bit of a difficult process.
I'm gonna end up hitting my knuckles.
You might hear a cuss word or two, which will equal to a duck with Michael on this episode.
And maybe if we take the resonator off, then we could get it out of there, so that's just hanging by itself.
Could do that first.
Yeah, let's do that.
Gonna take the resonator off now. Oh, this thing's dirty. This exhaust looks clapped.
It's been driven in the mud.
Yeah, true.
I should just cut the thing. Oops. Hit these with some PB Blaster.
These are a 13, in case anyone is wondering.
That's out.
You take that top one out too?
Yeah.
Look at all that dust coming. Jesus Christmas.
Well, it's getting all over my fucking towel.
Here, you hold the camera. I'll take this out.
Am I qualified for this?
Yeah, you should be.
It's gonna require some finesse. Call it your bitch. I'm losing my life.
It's like right there. Booyah! Should we do a cold start straight out of there?
I don't think so.
This is how you do it. Camera in one hand, working on the truck on the other. There you go.
Is it moving?
Yeah. There you go, it's coming. Whoa! There she is. The tips, just the tip. We were thinking to take these off. It'd be a lot easier to try and maneuver it in through. And so those are off now. Guess time, it's really just take these bolts off in here. Well, actually, no, it's just the hanger that we take off. Yeah, so take that hanger out and then try to weave this thing in through and hopefully get this, get these pipes out. Fingers crossed we don't. Whoa!
It's not sitting on any lines on top of the axle, is it? Brake lines and such.
It might be, it looks like it's on one of the brake lines. Hang on.
This is gonna fall. Alright, it's loose. Yeah, we should be able to get it out of here.
I'm getting crushed. Alright.
You're gonna have to go back there and lift the back end up and feed it this way.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to set you peoples up. This is a two-man job here.
I might have to jack it up so the axle drops down more.
Alright.
Jack it up.
Gotta get the big boy out here.
Can't even fucking do anything. Make sure that's, yeah.
Clear. Almost. Let me bring it my way. Okay, we're clear.
How we can get it out of here?
I mean,
It might fit. Just drag it this way.
bingo! We're all good. Look at the difference. It's gonna be insanely loud. Alright, time to install. Get this thing sounding prime. This is actually, as you guys can see, it's a little bit smaller, so that end right there is gonna come and exit here instead of up and over here. So that'll be actually really cool too. Let's get going and get this thing in there.
Let me get one of these nuts on so it'll hold. It's gotta come this way, it was so.
through? Alrighty, everyone. It is time for a freaking cold start, baby. Installed. Had to drill a little hole there to get that going. Hangers in. Oh, maybe I should take that. Maybe I should take that off first. Okay, so you guys probably can't see it. All installed though. Let's hear how this freaking thing sounds, baby. That's a huge difference. Oh, no way. We're gonna let it warm up and then we gotta get some revs going with this thing. That sounds so much better. Oh my god. That sounds so much more better. Much gooder. Much gooder. A lot better. Whoa! Oh yeah, definitely sounds way better.
That's what I wanted, was the little crackles. Like obnoxious though.
No, it sounds great. Oh my god, that sounds insane. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, she sounds pretty good.
That sounds so sick. Alrighty guys, well that concludes today's episode. That exhaust sounds so good. Shout out to Dirty Deeds for getting it done for Michael. If you guys need an exhaust from them, I highly recommend it. It's not too loud, but it sounds so good, especially when you get on it. And that, like I said, that's going to conclude it. Merry Christmas to you guys. Like I said, this is December 24th, Christmas miracle on getting the Raptor all done. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment if you guys want to see some more Raptor footage, because we're probably going to go rally this thing pretty damn soon. And there may or may not be some new mods coming. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Stay safe with COVID. Not COVID. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace, everyone.